You know what one of the first things they say? No, you are not to present Mirza Qadiani's Masih Maw'ud alayhi salam's books in the debates. We will just talk from the Quran and Hadith. We believe in Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to be a prophet of Allah. You present any Hadith, we are willing to accept. Ala Ra'si wal Ain, Saran Kupar. But if they regard him as a prophet, then what is wrong? तो फिर उनको चुभनी तो नहीं ना चाहिए, उनके नबी की बातों में उनको मीठी लगनी चाहिए ना. And once I described in front of a Qadiani his character from his books, and Mirza Qadiani has written, this is Ruhani Khazain volume 2, and in there Mirza Qadiani says, page 386, you really have to excuse me, we're in the masjid, but he's supposed to be a prophet and he's stated this in his books. And just to make you aware of what his mentality was and what a filthy mentality he has, and he wrote, वो कंजर जो वाल्दु जिना कहलाते हैं ना, मिर्जा साहब को कंजरों से बड़ा प्यार था, वो कंजर जो वाल्दु जिना कहलाते हैं वो भी झूठ बोलते हुए शर्माते हैं. वो कंजर जो वाल्दु जिना, वॉल्यूम 2 पेज 386, वो कंजर जो वाल्दु जिना कहलाते हैं वो भी झूठ बोलते हुए शर्माते हैं. उनको तो फिर भी शर्म आ जाती होगी, मिर्जा साहब को नहीं कभी शर्म आई. एंड इन वॉल्यूम 22 पेज 215, वॉल्यूम 2 पेज 215, मिर्जा साहब सेज, झूठ बोलना, पंजाबी बंदे बैठे नहीं आते, झूठ बोलना और गूं खाना एक बराबर है. झूठ बोलना और गूं खाना एक बराबर है. एंड ऑन पेज 459 ही सेज, झूठ बोलने से बदतर दुनिया में कोई काम नहीं. झूठ बोलने से there is nothing worse than speaking a lie. If you speak a lie, it's like eating shit. And those prostitutes, male prostitutes who are illegitimate children of their mothers, in other words, bastards, even they are ashamed to speak a lie. They might be ashamed, but Mirza Qadiani had no shame. I will tell you how he lied. In volume 13, Mirza Qadiani has written on page 180, he is describing his own lifestyle. On page 177, he describing his birth, how he was a young boy and his father ये पेज 180, बचपन के ज़माने में मेरी तालीम इस तरह पर हुई कि जब मैं 6-7 साल का था तो एक फारसी खां मुअल्लिम मेरे लिए नौकर रखा गया. फारसी खां मुअल्लिम मेरे लिए नौकर रखा गया जिन्होंने कुरान शरीफ और चंद किताबें मुझे पढ़ाई. उसने क्या किया? कुरान शरीफ पढ़ाया. तो क्या रखा गया? नौकर. यानी उसकी this is his mentality. He says, my father kept a servant knocker, someone humiliated, degraded. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he said, khairukum man ta'allama al-Qur'ana wa 'allama. The best person amongst you is he who learns and teaches Quran. Ali radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, one of the mightiest companions of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, amongst the most noble Khalifa Rashid, it is reported about him, he said, he who's taught me one word, I am his slave. Not servant, his slave. He can either keep me or set me free. Ali radiallahu ta'ala, there wasn't anybody who was going to teach him anything. He was in his own way highly knowledgeable. But Mirza Qadiani says, जब मैं 6-7 साल का था तो एक फारसी खां मेरे लिए नौकर रखा गया जिन्होंने कुरान शरीफ और चंद फारसी किताबें मुझे पढ़ाई, और इस बुजुर्ग का नाम फजल इलाही था. और जब मेरी उम्र तकरीबन 10 बरस के करीब हुई तो एक अरबी खां मौलवी साहब मेरी तरबियत के लिए मुकर्रर किए गए. और जब मैं 17 या 18 साल का हुआ तो एक और मौलवी साहब ने चंद साल पढ़ने का इत्तेफाक हुआ. उनका नाम गुल अली शाह था. इनको भी मेरे वालिद साहब ने नौकर रख कर कादियान में पढ़ाने के लिए मुकर्रर किया था. This is the respect Mirza Qadiani had for his teachers. They are slaves, they are servants, and employed by his father to teach him. He just confessed that when he was 6-7 years old, a servant was employed to do what? To teach him Quran, yeah? And this is volume 14 of Ruhani Khazain. And then Mirza Qadiani went on to say, that no one, I can swear I can swear by Allah, he says, मैं हल्फन ये बात कह सकता हूं. This is page 394 of Ruhani Khazan volume 14. He says, मैं हल्फन कह सकता हूं कि मेरा यही हाल है. कोई साबित नहीं कर सकता कि मैंने किसी इंसान से कुरान या हदीस या तफसीर का एक भी सबक पढ़ा हो. यहां कह रहा है कि 3 नौकर रखे उसके बाप ने. पेज 180. Since he was 6 years old, his father kept a servant to teach him Quran. Fazal Ilahi, Fazal Ahmad, Fazal Ilahi, Gul Ali Shah, and here he saying, मैं कसम खा के कह सकता हूं. And in volume 18, page 210, Mirza Qadiani, he says, volume 18, he was saying when he was 6-7 years old, his father kept a servant to teach him Quran. And then there was another teacher. Then there was another teacher for him to teach him something. A servant his father employed. And then in the next book is written, he goes on to say, I can swear by Allah that no one has taught me anything. He said that his father kept a servant. तो ये झूठ हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? And he is saying, والقسم يدل على أن الخبر محلوم على الظاهر لا تأويل فيه ولا استثناء وإلا فأي فائدة كانت في ذكر القسم. In Hamamatul Bushra volume 7 he goes on to say that when something is read with the qasam के साथ जब कोई बात की जाए ना, and then that qasam, it means there is no interpretation. You have to take it as it is said. Otherwise, what's the use of having a qasam if you are just going to make a ta'wil, or if you're just going to give an explanation? So he said qasam, and in volume 18 page 210 he went on to say, मुझे उस खुदा की कसम जिस पर इफ्तरा करना लानतियों का काम है. This is page 210 volume 18. मैं उस खुदा की कसम खाकर कहता हूं, मुझे उस खुदा की कसम है जिसने मुझे भेजा है और जिस पर इफ्तरा करना लानतियों का काम है. He goes, I swear by him who sent me and upon whom to lie is the work of cursed people, लानती people, कि उसने मुझे मसीह मऊद बनाकर भेजा है और मैं जैसा कि कुरान शरीफ की आयत पर ईमान रखता हूं, ऐसा ही बगैर फर्क एक जर्रा के खुदा की उस खुली खुली वही पर ईमान लाता हूं जो मुझे हुई, जिसकी सच्चाई उसके मुतवातिर निशानों से मुझ पर खुल गई. और मैं बैतुल्लाह में खड़े होकर यह कसम खा सकता हूं कि वो पाक वही जो मेरे पर नाजिल होती है वो उसी खुदा का कलाम है जिसने हजरत मूसा और ईसा और हजरत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम पर अपना कलाम नाजिल किया था. This is page 2. He said, I can swear, I can stand in the house of Allah, Baytullah in Makkah, and say, I swear by Allah, upon whom to lie is the work of cursed people, that I have been sent as a Rasul, and I believe upon the revelation I received, just like I believe in the Quran and Torah and what was revealed to Musa and Isa alayhi salatu wassalam. And he has just written himself, I showed you, that to lie is that eating shit. Goo khana, jhoot bolna, goo khana. तो जब उसने कहा, when he said that so many teachers were employed, and then he said, I didn't learn from anybody, so is that a lie or is that a truth? तो जब उसका झूठ साबित हो गया, and in Chashma Marifat, volume 23, page 231, Mirza has written, जब एक आदमी एक बात में झूठा साबित हो जाए, when someone has been known to lie in one thing, you know, even liars, to be considered a truthful person doesn't mean you speak the truth occasionally. Occasionally, everybody speaks the truth. But liars only lie sometimes. So Mirza Qadiani has acknowledged that even if a person can be proven to lie one occasion in his life, once in his life, then you can't trust him in anything. This is, itni baat usne sachi kahi na, he said that truth. Yeah? This is what, झूठे भी कभी कभी सच कह जाते हैं. And Allah made him speak. These are his own standards. These goalposts were put up not by us. These goalposts were put up by himself. These are his standards. He says, if you want to judge me by my predictions, by my speech, what I say. And he is written, Allah made him say, Chashma Marifat. Chashma Marifat is his last book. It was published just before he passed away. Volume 23. पेज 231. जाहिर है कि जब एक बात में कोई झूठा साबित हो जाए तो फिर दूसरी बातों में भी उस पर एतबार नहीं रहता. When a person has been proven to be liar in just one thing,